300NG is 10G.
Aircraft company in Germany, the original EA300 designed in 1987 by Walter Extra, a former German aerobatic champion. We were talking about G there, Simon, that would be negative G as they go over. That's all the blood rushes to your feet. G being a standard gravity. So 2G, you feel twice your weight. Or the weight you normally feel in the morning when you get out of bed, you feel 2G. 4G, 4 times your body weight. An hour to the fast jet to the Typhoon, they really need G-suits, they really do. A huge canopy on this aircraft. There is, and there's a reason for that, because although they are flying solo today, both Michael and Tom, if you want, they can take passengers. So one of the most exciting ways to get to your holiday in Tenerife, I would imagine, but certainly they can send the pilot. It's got an improved aerodynamics permit which enables it to have an even higher degree of maneuverability and precise pitching, making it the extra NG a really fast display aircraft. We'll come on to talk about the pilots in a second. Both Michael and Tom. But the aircraft flying here today, actually Tom has handed the specification of the actual factory. These were outfitted in 2021 with his own specification. He wanted something extra in his version of the Extra 300NG, and can you guess what it was, Simon? He asked for something extra, and it's in the cockpit. A coffee cup holder. You're close. He wanted a heater to keep him. He wanted a heater put in to keep him warm when he was flying on transit, displaying in the winter. Also participating in the Keith Clark introduced him to aerobatics in 1992 and started flying Keith's Sling Firefly, the T67, and he won his first contest in that year. He's continued with a win in the Tiger Trophy for standard level pilots. In 1994 acquired a Slim 500 LA, which was the 1995 UK Advanced Level Championship. And Michael, well, he started flying at a very young age, inspired by his father, winning his first aerobatic championship. At just 14 years old, becoming the youngest person ever to be awarded a Display Authorisation Certificate for display flying. And if you follow these guys on Instagram, they have GoPros while they do the display side, and you can really get to see as they come in and pull right across the front of the crowd, all nice and close, very nice, Tom. They're so close. Yeah. And nice little opportunity here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, very nice, guys. And for those of you yet to go on your summer holidays, Michael, flying for you here today, is also a commercial airline pilot on a Boeing 757, a rectangular airline he flies for, but they're playing along when you land on time, so you might be taking you on holiday at some point, who knows? Well, hopefully that would be amazing, wouldn't it? Yeah. You have looking to be everywhere. I mean, the maneuverability of these Extra 300NG aircraft, I mean, it is amazing. As you said, unlimited aerobatics. If I can get in touch and you can stop up to crash on this way by the end of it. You ever done that, haven't you? No, I haven't jumped out of an aircraft, but that was with a parachute. That's amazing. Always a way to do it. Actually, it wasn't with a parachute, it was with someone else with a parachute. But certainly pulling these aircraft rated for 10G, you would need to know what you're doing to be putting 10G. Top comes across. There we go, pulling the stick nice and close. Probably about, what I would say, maybe 3 meters apart from each other at the moment.